Here I've got Philips Xenium V787 and let me show you how to perform a hard reset in order to remove Screenlock on the following device. So, at first tap on power key to switch off your phone and click on power off. Click on OK to confirm that you would like to shut it down and wait a couple of seconds. Once it's off, tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together until you see the logo. Keep holding. And now click on power key and volume up key once. And now you're in Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and you can select each option by tapping on power key. So let's find and pick wipe data. Here it is, factory reset. Click on power key and now find yes to delete all user data and click on power key to select it. And that's it. As you can see, data wipe complete. So select reboot system now, simply tap on power key to do it and wait until your device will be back in the normal mode. You will be able to set it up as a new one and there will be no Screenlock included. And that's it. Now you can set up your device as a new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.